You're not broke because you're lazy. You're not broke because you grew up poor. You're broke because you're playing a money game without ever being taught the rules. And that's exactly why you feel stuck. Let me prove it to you in 60 seconds. How many people do you know who work hard, put in long hours, sacrifice their weekends, and still can't get ahead? That's not laziness. That's a system. Here's the truth most people never learn. Income is not wealth. It's not what you earn. It's what happens after the money arrives. For most people, the cycle is simple. Get paid, spend, repeat. Every time income goes up, spending goes up. They get a raise and suddenly need a better phone, a nicer car, a bigger apartment, new clothes. And this is where most people quietly lose. Your brain is wired to choose now over later. Psychologists call this present bias. In simple terms, your brain values reward today more than reward in the future. Saving feels hard, spending feels easy. That is why "I deserve it" sounds so convincing in the moment. And the system knows this. That is why credit cards, financing deals, and buy now, pay later offers are so powerful. They all feed the same weakness. Spend now, worry later. Here is the truth that changes everything. Wealthy people aren't just better at earning, they're better at saying no. Wealth is built in boring moments, not flashy, not viral moments, just consistent. Most people do money backwards, so you have to reverse the order. Work, get paid, pay yourself first, then spend what remains. You are making saving automatic. This isn't just money, it's identity. You become what you believe about yourself. Do this today. Even small amounts change your identity. Wealth doesn't start with money. It starts with a decision. If this hit you, watch the next video to build your full financial plan. Subscriber, let's keep building. Thanks for watching.